If you've been on YouTube recently, you may have seen some videos recommended that look like this with these completely unedited thumbnails that look kind of bad. They don't look like those highly edited thumbnails that we're used to seeing, yet these videos are still getting a ton of views. And you're asking yourself, why is YouTube recommending me these videos that quote unquote look bad? And maybe they're onto something. And there's actually 3 reasons why this strategy is kind of genius. So let's break it down. Number 1, the thing is, this just meets the expectations from the thumbnail to the video, which is super important for YouTube, and it's super important for average view duration. So when I got one of these videos from Connor Woodman recommended to me, it is a completely unedited thumbnail. And so when I click on the video and I get inside, it's an unedited video as well, which matches the expectation. Imagine if the thumbnail was highly produced, highly edited. I would have clicked on this video and been disappointed because I wouldn't have expected him to be in the middle of the woods just shooting this on his phone. I would have expected something else. And so I would have clicked off and the average view duration would have tanked even if it got a higher click-through rate because of a highly produced thumbnail. Now, the interesting part about this, which is reason number 2 why these videos get views, it's not because the thumbnails look like that. I do think there is something to be said that they stand out in this world of YouTube where there is these highly produced thumbnails, but I will say that's not, I don't think the main reason why. I think the main reason why these thumbnails are getting views is because, real quick, if you're a business owner watching this video, I have a complete training for free linked in the description. It's a YouTube video going in depth on how I was able to grow my business on YouTube, organically get sales and grow my personal brand. Check that out. Let's get back into the video. I think the main reason why these thumbnails are getting views is because of the title and the topic. In order for you to get views, whether you have a good thumbnail or a good title, you absolutely need a good topic that people are interested in. This is foundational to making sure your video does well, is just seeing if there's even interest in what you're talking about. Because if no one's interested, it doesn't matter how good your thumbnail is, it doesn't matter how good your title is, no one's going to click on it if they just don't care. And the title really just portrays here what the topic is about. And for those reasons, that is why you're getting these recommended to your algorithm. You probably watched a video that was maybe similar to the topic that is being talked about in that video with this unproduced thumbnail. And YouTube knows that based on your watch history, you might watch this video just because of the topic. And chances are maybe you did click on it, right? And it's because you care about what they're talking about in that video. Now, before I get to the third reason on why this is kind of genius, we do have to ask ourselves, should I be doing this? Like, is this a new hack that I should be hopping on? And it's kind of yes and no. I think that you shouldn't just automatically do unedited thumbnails because I don't think it's like the best way to get the highest click-through rate. Sometimes it does work. If it's a good image and it's interesting and maybe there's some curiosity there, I think it can work. And there's no doubt that this stands out on YouTube because not everyone does this. But I do think if you spend time on your thumbnail, really focusing in on getting someone to click on that thumbnail, it's going to perform better. But there's a huge caveat, which is if you do that, you have to match the expectations with your video. So if your video is unedited, you probably should, and I would say you should use a unedited thumbnail or at least a lower produced style of thumbnail so that it matches the videos on your channel. Right now, the season that I'm in, I'm trying to produce more content. And so a lot of the videos really don't have a ton of editing. They're just shot, they're uploaded. And because of that, I want the thumbnails to kind of match the expectations of this content. Now, the third thing though, on why I really believe that these videos do really well is something that maybe has been lost on YouTube, something that I think people have kind of gone to the other extreme of producing highest quality edits. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. High quality edits. Like most people would edit all of that out. I'm just going to leave it in there. But it's because of reason 3, authenticity. People actually care about, I just don't think people care as much. And I'm really talking about in the educational space. I just work with business owners. Right now, I just work with business owners and helping them grow on YouTube. And they're not entertainment channels. They're educational YouTube channels. And most people just don't care if there's super flashy edits. And it can be oftentimes distracting. And so I don't know what you think as a viewer. I'd love to know your comments down below. But I think people just want more authenticity. I actually met with one of my students today, and she said that when she watches my videos, it feels like we're just hanging out and I'm just the only one talking to her. Like it's just her and I. And that is exactly the feeling that I hope people would have watching this channel. I'm trying not to put on a front. I'm trying not to make things too grand, so to speak. And I'm just trying to connect with the people watching my content, and hopefully that they find value, even though there's no editing in this video, or there's minimal editing. I'm going to show some pictures and whatnot, but I hope that you found value about me talking about this. Now, a couple of months ago, I was not really getting views on YouTube until I did this one thing. And if you click on the screen, I think if you do that too, you'll absolutely get more views on your YouTube videos. I'll see you guys over there.